Today I'm going to review a product, the Covert GEO Targeter, which is coming out on June 17th, 2019. Now, what is this product? The product is a WordPress plugin. It's so powerful that just by copying and pasting a single word anywhere on your blogs, you can easily triple your clicks, leads, and sales. That's a very big claim. So exactly what is the Covert GEO Targeter all about? The GEO Targeter is a very simple to use install. It's a one-click install WordPress plugin. It means it will work on any software, any computer, as long as you have a WordPress blog installed. It's very, very easy to use. And what the software will give you is these 4 short codes, which is a little bit of text. And you can use that text anywhere in your blog. You can put it in your theme, you can put it on your blog title, headlines, you can put it in the text of your blog, and you can put it in ads, and you can put it on your sidebar widgets. And what does it do? Well, why is the GEO targeting so important? Before we get into exactly what it does, it's extremely important because it can bring insane amounts of click-throughs, leads, and sales from your blog. And this has been tested by the creators of the product and found to be true. Now, you know no doubt that blogging can be a very, very lucrative way to make money on the internet. The problem, however, is that there are literally thousands of new blogs which are created every single day. So it's really, really hard to stand out from the competition, to get people to notice you, and then once they notice you, to stay on your site, to look at your content, and to click and buy the things that you're offering. So it's very, very difficult. But you need a fresh approach, and with that fresh approach, you can accomplish what you want to accomplish. And that's something, that fresh approach, is GEO targeting on your blog. Now, what does this do? Well, the GEO, it's Covert GEO Targeter, will allow you to add your visitor's country, state, city, or town anywhere in the blog that you choose. So you can catch the eye of your visitor and draw them in. For example, if you have somebody from Toronto, Ontario visiting your blog, and in your headline you say something about Toronto, something to the people who live in Toronto, Ontario, that will catch their attention. It's guaranteed to catch their attention. And you can put that in your headline if you'd like, and you can also add it in the text of your blog. What it does is it makes your content feel more relevant to that visitor, and it creates a trusting environment. And once your visitors come to trust you, they will buy from you. So the Covert GE Targeter plugin has at least tripled the response rate of every single blog that it's ever been used on. This was tested by the creators. Now, how do you use this plugin? Well, there's a number of very effective strategies that you can use. You can use their geolocation in your call to action and links to make it seem like it's a special deal only available to them. For example, going back to our visitor from Toronto, if you say this product is available as a special for people who reside in Toronto for a limited time only, that will feel more relevant to that individual. If in your text, you can put the location in your titles, in your posts, in the text to get their attention. And once they get you get their attention, they are more likely to stay on your blog and read your content, which means that your bounce rate will be reduced. And a reduced bounce rate equals higher rankings in Google. And after all, if you own a blog, you want it to rank highly in Google. You can also use their location in your ad widgets to make it seem more relevant and to increase the CTR on your ads. The GeoTargeter works with other plugins as well. It will not interfere with other plugins that you may be using on your website. There are really, literally hundreds of different ways to use this plugin, and the code will allow the appearance of whatever city that particular visitor happens to be in to appear in your text, in your headlines, or in your calls to action. And there are really about 100 different ways that you can use this plugin. It will get people's attention, it will increase their response rate, and the best of all, you can get this plugin for a one-time cost of only $27. It's got to be the steal of the century. Now, in addition to the plugin, I have some exclusive bonuses which I've created. These bonuses are available only to those folks who click and buy the product through my link, which you can do by clicking on any of these buttons. So here are the bonuses that I have available. Bonus number 1, this is for blogging, because after all, the product is something you want to use on your blog. Murder your competition with Google Ads location targeting. Now, Google Ads has their own targeting. You can target by different types of criteria. But if you take Google Ads criteria and you take that targeting and you combine it with the geo-targeting that the Covert GEO Targeter can provide, you've got an unbeatable competition, which will put you miles ahead of your competition. Bonus number 2 is for starting a blog that actually makes money. These are tips for beginners who want to start a blog in 2019. This is all new, relevant content, but it will tell you as a beginner, it's very user-friendly, it's very newbie-friendly. It will tell you exactly how to go about starting a blog that actually makes money. Now, bonus number 3 is a little bit more advanced. Bonus number 3 is how to make money blogging. These are steps to blog for 2019, and this is a case study from individuals who are actually earning over $100,000 a month on their blog. Then I have an affiliate marketing tutorial. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online because you don't have to create a product, you don't have to ship the product, you don't have to support the product, and you don't have to deal with any customer issues or refunds or returns. Now, this tutorial is a tutorial for how to make affiliate marketing a successful business through your blog. It's 6 tips for making 6 figures. Very, very relevant for 2019. And then finally, you are going to get the vendor bonus. Now, this vendor bonus is only available during a very limited time during the launch period. And the vendor bonus comes with 2 things. It comes with a multi-site license and a site flipping license. A multi-site license allows you to use the software on as many sites as you want, which means you can create a business by offering to install the software. You don't have to tell anybody how easy it is, but you can offer to install software on other people's blogs so that they can also geo-target their visitors. The other thing that you're getting in this bonus is a site flipping license. Now, what this allows you to do is build blogs. You can build as many blogs as you want. You can install the Covert GEO Targeter on those blogs, and then you can turn around and offer those blogs for sale. So once again, you will get that by clicking on any of these links and purchasing the product directly through my link. So if you'd like to get your own copy of the Covert GEO Targeter, you can click on the link right here, which will also appear in the description below this video. And if you'd like to check out my review page, you can click on the link right here and you'll be taken directly to my review page. Incidentally, that review page has a demo on it, the demo video on it, which will show you exactly how the product works, how the Covert GEO Targeter works, and how you can make it work for you. So click on either of these links, the one link to buy the product, the other link to take a look at the review page, and you can get your blog boosted up in those rankings and you can start making a nice living just from blogging.